Hi, my name is Andrew Luna. So for this project, for this Lexicon project that we're doing, I'm doing the coding for the LEDs and the accelerometer. Currently, we just have this Arduino running these LEDs, as you can see here. This is off of the code that I had written for it. Right now, they're just on a static, just to see how many I could get going at the same time. Some of the drawbacks that I found out was that with our previous trying to multiplex, I never done anything like that before, multiplexing, so it was going to be really complicated for me to do any of that. It wanted me to run some transistors, and I really didn't understand how it worked, and I did look at some YouTube links onto some how-tos, but still wasn't clicking with me. So what I'm doing is reducing the number of LEDs, but adding RGB LEDs instead, so it could give us a little bit variation in color, and also spacing those apart within our 3D cube and make it look like there's more lights than what it's supposed to be. Forward from that, I want to see about adding different sensors. On this one right now, I do have a little button sensor you could just click into. I'm in the middle of actually programming it. I have done it with an FSR, which is a touch pressure sensor, and that does work with it. But again, just for this little quick demonstration, I did do just have a static LEDs to see how many we could get recording at one time. We may use another Arduino, I'm not 100% sure, depending on how easy it is just to code these and to work with the sensors. I do want everything to run on one Arduino with two different sensors on it, hopefully a motion sensor and an accelerometer sensor that we're going to have inside of it, and also we're going to put in the sound for it. As far as the sound goes, I haven't really touched bases on inputting a sound into the dodecahedron, but I will get to that soon. I think we're pretty much on track for this project. I've seen a lot of progress from our other group mates, and it looks like we're pretty good right now. Thank you.
Hello, and I'm Odin Unger. I helped design the prototypes for the Lexicon. The prototype I built and mostly worked on was the dodecahedron. As you can see with the cuts, the red line cuts the board at 50% power. That way the board could bend and fold in those areas. And then the blue line cut through the board completely so we could form the shape. And for the final, we're thinking of making the dodecahedron out of wood with a wood frame. So we cut out pentagons and attach those together and sand it and add hinges to make the case open and close.
Hi, my name is Jared Curley, and I'm in charge of the fabrication of our cube. By stripping and soldering our LEDs to wire frame, we have created a fully functional 3x3x3 LED cube. Once Andrew gets his code fully functional, we will continue the next process, which is involving resistors and breadboards. As of now, our individual work and contributions are on track.
Hi, my name is Vanessa. I am the main person who's working on the Max patches. As of now, we've finally had a breakthrough with the Max patch. The first trouble has been trying to find a connection between the Max and the Arduino. We've done some quick research and also found a couple of patches that relate to this, but the example patches were very complex, and luckily we received some help from Gino, who created his own connection from Max to Arduino, and that has helped us a lot. Because of Gino's Max patch, we have been able to track data from the Arduino into the Max program. So we will shortly begin testing.